Hello children, welcome to Journey of Learning. Today we are going to learn about land transport. Land transport. The means of transport which moves on land. Okay, that is called land transport. And it can be divided into two, rail transport or road transport. Road transport that you all see that moves on road, and rail transport means that moves on rails or tracks. Let's see. Now, when we are talking about road transport, first of all, we are going to learn here about two-wheelers. Okay, can you tell me which picture is this? Which vehicle is this? It is scooter. Which vehicle is this? Scooter. So, scooter is a two-wheeler. You can see it has two wheels. It has two wheels. It is a two-wheeler. It is a two-wheeler. Okay. Now, see this? What is this? This is a bike. What is this? This is a bike. You can see it also has two wheels. So it is also a two-wheeler. Now, what is this? This is a bicycle. What is this? This is a bicycle. And how many wheels does it has? It has two wheels. It has two wheels. Okay. Now, let's learn about three-wheelers. Three-wheelers means the vehicles which have three wheels, okay? So this also moves on road. So it is also a road transport. What is this? This is a rickshaw. What is this? This is a rickshaw. You all must have seen this moving on roads. Huh? Now, what is this? This is an auto rickshaw, or you can say auto. You all have seen this on road? Yes, this is also a road transport. It has three wheels. Now, what is this? E-rickshaw. What is this? E-rickshaw. It also has three wheels. And you all have seen moving it on the roads? Yes. Now, what is this? This is a car. What is this? This is a car. Can you tell me how many wheels does it has? A car has four wheels. A car has four wheels. That's why it is called four-wheelers. Four-wheeler means it has four wheels. Four-wheeler. And it is a car. A car moves on land or in air. Yes, children? Yes, it moves on land. It means it is a road transport or land transport. Now, what is this? This is a truck. What is this? Truck. Okay, goods are carried in this. Goods are transported from one place to another place in trucks. It has four wheels. It is a small truck, so it has four wheels. Now, what is this? This is a Jeep. This is a Jeep. This is also a road transport or land transport. It has four wheels, okay? Some people have cars, some have scooter, some have Jeep. And what is this? This is a bus. When we want to travel from one place to another place or it is far, then we use bus. We go by bus, okay? And how many wheels does it have? It has four wheels. And where does it move? It moves on land. It moves on road. So it is a road transport. And what is this? Yes, this is a van. This is a van. It has four wheels. It also moves on land. Now, as I have told you earlier, that land transport is divided into two categories. One is rail transport, another one is road transport. Road transport which moves on road, and rail transport which moves on track or rails. As you all must have seen railway track. So the vehicles or the means of transport which moves on track, they are called rail transport. As you all must have traveled through metro. Yes. So metro moves on road? No. Metro moves on rails. Metro moves on track. So it is a rail transport. Metro is a rail transport. Train also. You can see in this picture also. Here, these tracks are here. Yes, and the train is also moving on the same kind of track. Okay. So it is also a rail transport. Train is a rail transport. It moves on land, but not on road. Okay. It cannot move on road. It moves on tracks. It is a land transport. It is a rail transport. Now let's revise two-wheelers which we have learned in this video. So what is this? It is scooter. 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 Okay. Scooter is a two-wheeler and it is a road transport or land transport. Bike. What is this? Bike. Bike is also a two-wheeler and it also moves on land or road. Bicycle. Bicycle is also a two-wheeler and it also moves on land or road. Now let's have a look at three-wheelers again. E-rickshaw. You all must have seen e-rickshaws moving in streets or on roads. Yeah, it is used to travel small distance. E-rickshaw. Then rickshaw and auto. All these are three-wheelers and these are land transport, or you can say road transport, because all these move on road. Now have a look at four-wheelers now. Car, truck, jeep, bus, van. Okay, car, truck, jeep, bus, van. All these are four-wheelers and all these are land transport or road transport because all these move on road. Now, rail transport. Have you all understood about rail transport? The transport which moves on rails or track is called rail transport. Rail transport cannot move on road. It cannot move without rails or without track, okay? And in this, we have learned metro and train, okay? Metro and the other northern railway train, that is train. So children, you all watch the video, learn about land transport, and it can be divided into road transport or rail transport. Road transport and rail transport. Road transport which moves on road and rail transport means which moves on track or rails. Okay. Now you all are supposed to learn all this